Hello, David Getz here. We are testing out the new Dovoh laser. Give you a little shot of it here. It comes in a nice case with everything well organized. Got the laser. It's a lithium-ion battery that goes in there, so it's all rechargeable. That's pretty nice. Comes with a little mounting stand. Yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Let's put it to work, see what it does. First things I noticed about this tool that's different than other lasers I've used is the laser is mounted in these little onboard ports, and if you notice, they stick beyond the body of the laser itself. The advantage to that is the lines, especially in a horizontal vertical line, the laser shoots down away from the base of the tool, which allows you to easily put a square line down on the floor, which is what we're going to do this morning. And it just opens up possibilities of what you can do with the laser. So first of all, we're just going to go over some of the functions of the tool. First of all, over here on this side here, you've got the lock. So in order for the tool to turn on, it has to be in the unlock position, and when you travel, you want that to be in the lock position to the left, as you can see the padlock. So we're going to use this thing. We need to undo the lock. And we got our laser line out there, and as mentioned, you can see the laser comes out of this top port. And H for horizontal line, V for vertical. So what we're trying to do here, give you an idea, is we've demoed out this existing kitchen, and we need to check the square of this existing exterior wall. And the way we're going to easily do that is we're going to get our vertical line as well as our horizontal lines, just like that. And because the laser comes out of the port, you can see it brings the line away from the tool, so you can get an actual grid right on your floor. So very simple. What we're going to do is I'm going to measure along this wall. Now normally, if you didn't have a laser, you'd do like a 3, 4, 5 triangle, which is kind of a challenge to get everything perfectly square from measuring. Let's see what happened here. So in mid-shoot there, the battery went dead, so I replaced it with the spare battery that comes with the tool. So again, we are looking to get a square line in here, and to achieve that, pressing that vertical button 3 times. So you notice each press that comes out of the front port, the side, and then both. So in this application, we need both. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to take a measurement from the wall to the laser at this point right here, as well as about 15 feet down the line there. I'm going to get that same measurement there, so the laser is parallel to this wall, and then I'll be able to put my tape on the laser going on the perpendicular wall, and we'll be able to see how square it is. So I've measured 2 inches from where the laser is at down or to the wall, and then now on this adjacent end I'm lining that laser up, and you can see that laser is right on the 2-inch mark. And we're just going to double check, make sure that we're still 2 inches here down at the laser body, which we are. So now what I can do, now that I know that that line is parallel to the east wall, I can measure here on the south wall, and I've got exactly looks like 5.5 inches. And I measure down here. That line is at 5 inches. So what that tells me is that this wall from end to end is a 1/2 inch out and out a square, and that was so quickly and easily done with this laser. Very impressed. Another feature I wanted to show is like most lasers, if this thing gets knocked out, because it's self-leveling, if it gets knocked out of level, you can see it'll start beeping and giving you the warning signal that it's not level. So that's pretty critical for a laser to work properly. But yeah, pretty good.